Steam from your hood? Don't open it yet. That's one of the most dangerous moments for your car and your wallet. Before you touch anything, let's pop the hood virtually and see what's really going on inside. Your car's cooling system is a complex network that manages heat, the byproduct of combustion. The radiator acts as your car's heat exchanger, pulling warmth from the coolant and sending it into the air. The coolant, that colorful liquid in your reservoir, absorbs heat from your engine and keeps temperatures steady. The thermostat controls when the coolant flows, and the cooling fan steps in when things get too hot. When your system loses coolant, from a leak, a cracked hose, or even a loose cap, it loses its ability to carry away heat. Air bubbles replace coolant inside the lines, circulation slows, and your engine's temperature spikes. The result: pressure builds, metal expands, and before you know it, steam is the least of your worries. If you ever face an overheating engine, don't rush. Step 1. Turn off the car and let it cool for at least 30 minutes. Opening the cap too early can cause serious burns. Once it's safe, slowly refill the coolant reservoir to the marked line, using the right type for your car, whether it's green, orange, or pink. A quick top-up today could save your engine tomorrow. If your car keeps overheating, even with a full coolant system, you might be dealing with something more serious. A blown head gasket, watch for white smoke, milky oil, or loss of power. Those are your car's SOS signals. Ignore them, and that repair could cost you thousands.
Now that you know what's happening under the hood, it's your turn. What color is your coolant? Drop it in the comments below. Hit subscribe, tap that bell icon, and keep your engine and your knowledge running cool. This is your channel name, helping you understand your car, one fix at a time.